Alrighty, Zack, here's your 408 small block Ford. Your description is combination. Got a Motorsports As Cast heads on it. CFI, it's got the Pro-Am manifold. Holley throttle body. Fuel management, Holley Terminator X. Custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got the, looks like a truck oil pan on it. Got the front end on, make sure your alternator charges for you. Go in there and make a run, see how she does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie here, 3,500, 474 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 490, peaks horsepower 468, rated at 450, so everything's good. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really well. Next thing we do is pull pipes back, make sure it's good and clean on the exhaust, and I'll show you a couple other things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. It's got your engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend plug it in and watch it. On the engine will be this card. It'll have your engine number, other specifications. That engine number, if you need anything from us, is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. It's got this URL code. Hover over that. Take you to our site, some more technical information. So highly recommend watch all this. It'll make your installation a lot easier. Have a great day.